Hey food ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a simple and quick chicken salad recipe. This recipe is really perfect for chicken salad sandwich. Okay, so it's super easy, it's so creamy and so delicious. Let's jump right in. Oh guys, before we start jumping, please like, subscribe and share this recipe. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you. So first, let's prep our ingredients. Chop 2 celery sticks. Chop them to your desired size. You can get these from Walmart, Albertsons, Kroger, Aldi's, from anywhere you shop. Okay. So next, you want to chop half onion. Okay, I'm using just half onion for this recipe. You can use 1 full onion if you want, but I think half is just perfect for me. So now I'm gonna cut 1 slice of pickle. So I'm gonna chop them into my desired size. I'm not gonna chop them too big or too small, just big enough or small enough for me to know is there. Now this is optional, but I like some olives in my salad, so I'm gonna chop 6 black olives, okay, to my desired size. Again, now you don't have to use this, it's just optional. Next, cut up 2 rotisserie chicken breasts. I made this chicken breast myself, but you can definitely grab some ready-made chicken breast from the store. Okay, so cut it into your desired bite size. So I'm gonna go a very small, not too big but not too small. Okay, so I like to see the chicken breast in the salad. I don't like it invincible, so I'm gonna cut it to my desired size. Now transfer everything into a mixing bowl and give it a good stir. And while you're here, please subscribe and join the Food Ninja family for more easy and tasty recipes every week. Next, season with a little salt and pepper to taste, then give everything a good stir. Add about 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise. Mix until you reach your desired creaminess. You can add more mayonnaise if you prefer, but 3 tablespoons was just perfect for me. Give it one final good mix, and this chicken salad is ready. Finally, slice open some buttery croissants and stuff them with your chicken salad. If you don't have croissants, regular bread works just fine. And that's it. The simplest yet so delicious chicken salad sandwich is ready to enjoy. Drop a comment below and let me know if you'll be trying this recipe at home. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend that loves good food. Until next time, keep cooking, keep eating, and stay ninja fresh. Thank you so much, guys. You rock.